Are you ready to unlock the secrets of bone broth and revolutionize your health? Get ready to discover the countless benefits of bone broth, from supporting joint health to boosting your immune system. If the term bone broth is unfamiliar, you might recognize it broadly as stock, essentially the same concoction. However, while stock can be vegetable-based, bone broth, true to its name, is crafted from animal bones. It's worth noting that bone broth isn't exclusive to land animals. Fish bones and fins can also serve as the base for this nourishing elixir. Crafting your own bone broth at home requires minimal ingredients: bones, water, and a touch of acidity, such as lemon juice or vinegar, to coax out the bone's nutrients. Additional seasonings with salt, pepper, and vegetables can enhance the flavor. Simmering the ingredients together for up to 24 hours extracts the maximum goodness from the bones, after which you can enjoy the broth immediately or freeze for later use. First, if you're loving this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Here are the top reasons how bone broth can benefit you. Number 1, immune support. Bone broth is packed with high-quality protein containing essential amino acids crucial for immune function. Amino acids are vital for forming antibodies that combat infections, potentially aiding in fighting off colds and flu. Number 2, bone health. Rich in minerals leached from the bones during cooking, bone broth provides a significant source of calcium, essential for bone strength. Additionally, its protein content can help prevent bone mineral loss, potentially reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Number 3, inflammation reduction and gut health. The amino acids present in bone broth possess anti-inflammatory properties, potentially aiding in soothing inflammatory bowel diseases and promoting gut health. Number 4, skin health. Collagen, abundant in bone broth, supports skin elasticity and hydration, potentially mitigating signs of aging such as wrinkles. Number 5, sleep promotion. Certain amino acids like glycine found in bone broth have shown promise in improving sleep quality, brain function, improved memory loss, and reduced daytime sleepiness. Number 6, joint health. Collagen from bone broth may stimulate collagen production in the body, potentially supporting joint health and reducing symptoms of osteoporosis. Number 7, heart health. Some studies suggest that compounds in bone broth may inhibit enzymes associated with heart disease risk factors, though more research is needed to confirm these findings. Number 8, weight loss aid. The high protein content of bone broth may promote feelings of fullness and reduce overall food intake, potentially supporting weight loss efforts. There are many recipes online for bone broth, but honestly, you don't even need a recipe. All you need is 1 gallon or 4 liters of water, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 to 4 pounds of animal bones, and salt and pepper to taste. You want to place all the ingredients in a large pot or slow cooker, bring it to a boil, and then you want to reduce it to a simmer and cook for 12 to 24 hours. The longer it cooks, the better it will taste and the more nutritious it will be. Allow the broth to cool. You want to strain it into a large container and discard the solids. Adding the vinegar is very important because it helps pull all of the valuable nutrients out of the bones and into the water, which is ultimately what you will be consuming. Thank you so much for watching Healthy Food Crush Food Facts. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more healthy food facts.